What's up guys, it's Dan from GT Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the VW RGB to AV adapter. Now, here's some background. If you have a VW car, for example, Golf Mark 6, Tiguan, Amarok, which is around 2010, 11, 12, and it have a factory camera, if you want to upgrade the head unit, you probably need to use this adapter to enable the factory camera. So I will use this one as an example. This is RS510 from Golf Mark 6. This is the camera port. I'll put it a little bit closer so you can see it carefully. The VW one using the camera signal called RGB, and most of the aftermarket head units, including the latest original VW head unit, is using the camera signal called CVBS or NTSC. So this is the RGB port, and this one is the CVBS port, and that's why you need this adapter. So basically this adapter is convert the RGB port to the CVBS port, and it's have a signal decoder chips here. Okay, so here's some tool you need to do the connection. So you need a wire strip, a knife, and you need some electrician tape. Let's do the connection. So I'm going to use this harness as an example. So if you look at the adapter, there's 3 pins that you need to connect it. Okay, so first one, the yellow one, is the power, and the second one, the red one, is the reverse trigger, and the third one is the ground. Okay, and then I just use this one as an example. I don't know if you can see this clearly. So the first one here, the black one, is the ground. Okay, and the second one, the red one, is the power or ACC, and the third one, the brown one, is the reverse trigger. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, I repeat: the ground, the first one, black one, ground; the second one is the power or ACC, red one; and the third one is the brown one, reverse trigger. Okay, and the second one. The third one, the brown one. Okay. On the electrician tape. Okay, we'll do the ground one first. So black to black. Okay, this is what I'm doing. Hopefully you can see it clear. And then I put the electrician tape. Rough it properly. Okay, and then secondly we do the reverse trigger. The reverse trigger is the red one to the brown one. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, last one is the power. So power one is the yellow one to the red one. Also wrap it properly. Okay, then now we connect all the 3 wiring, and then you connect the original RGB port to this one, or RGB plug, and then this is output, the CVBS signal. This is what we need, and you connect like this. And the final step, don't forget switch the signal to NTSC in your head unit. Okay, done. Easy. Okay, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.